Voltas, an engineering services company of the Tata Group, has been a major force in infrastructure projects in India, sourcing state-of-the-art mining and construction equipment from world-leading organizations to cater to timely and efficient execution of major projects. Today, Voltas is a single-point source for all crushing and screening requirements, thanks to their exclusive association with Terex Pegson and Power Screen, the world's #1 force in combined mobile crushing and screening. Terex Pegson and Power Screen crushing and screening combinations in India are in a premier position in the market, catering to a variety of applications like aggregate, iron ore, and limestone. The latest addition to the Terex Pegson product range has been the XA400 mobile jaw crusher, which in combination with the already proven MaxTrack 1000 mobile cone crusher has pioneered the concept of in-pit aggregate crushing in India with capacities up to 200 tons per hour. The XA400 mobile jaw crusher provides class-leading features such as large 15 mm thick Hardox feed hopper, a hydraulic raise and lower product conveyor, a 2-stage grizzly feeder, and an aggressive crushing action with high swing jaw, which ensures high output and excellent production. Today, leading construction companies and contractors rely on Terex Pegson mobile crushing plants for their high productivity, reliability, and ease of mobility within quarry sites. In iron ore application, Terex Pegson and Power Screen have revolutionized the concept of crushing and screening in India with the introduction of track mobile plants. Mine owners, traders, and contractors involved in processing iron ore look upon Pegson and Power Screen crushing and screening combination for their requirement of lumps and fines. The Terex Pegson combination of MetroTrack 900/600 mobile jaw and MaxTrack 1000 SR mobile cone with inbuilt screen has been a generic crushing and screening combination among mine owners in Babel and Jodha. Delivering -18 + 5 mm lumps and -5 mm fines with capacities up to 150 tons per hour. For even higher capacities, up to 250 tons per hour on similar applications, Terex Pexon's Premier Track 1100 by 800 mobile jaw and Max Track 1300 mobile code join forces with Power Screen Chieftain 2400 mobile screen. The crusher return conveyor of the screen ensures effective operation in a closed circuit, thereby delivering sized lumps and fines. For screening of iron ore runoff mines, the Power Screen Chieftain range continues to dominate the markets in Goa, Hospet and Babel. The Chieftain 1400 with a 2-deck 11 feet by 5 feet screen and the Chieftain 2100 with a 3-deck 20 feet by 5 feet screen are perfect winners worldwide and the most sought after mobile screens in India as well. To stay ahead of the competition, Power Screen has introduced the Horizon 6203 Mobile Elliptical Motion Horizontal Screen. having all the potentials of a future winner. The machine is equipped with an elliptical motion horizontal screen with 20 feet by 6 feet 3-deck screen box, which gives 4-way separation of material. This machine is ideally suitable for high tonnages and efficient screening of fines. With capacities up to 450 tons per hour, and is undoubtedly the first of its kind to have come to India. Today, Voltas supports over 400 crushing and screening equipments in India through their nationwide network of 16 sales and service offices, 5 warehouses conveniently situated on job sites, the centralized spare parts warehouse at Panvel near Mumbai, stocks critical spare parts like pumps, motors and bearings, consumables like filters and wear parts like jaw plates, concave mantle and screen meshes. Voltas offers a variety of value-added services like annual service contracts, annual operation and maintenance contracts, comprehensive maintenance contracts, complete overhauls and refurbishing, and training for operators and maintenance crew at job sites. Terex Pegson, Power Screen and Voltas, a successful combination for crushing and screening solutions for Indian customers, has been the first choice for highly reliable, productive and economic machines and is geared up to face the stiff challenges of the future. Power Screen, the world's largest manufacturer of mobile screening equipment, has been the global benchmark by which all wet screening plants are judged. They offer an extensive range of mobile and static washing systems to cater to a variety of applications ranging from I&O, crushed aggregate and fines, natural sand and gravel. The power screen washing range includes static rinsing screen with capacities up to 350 tons per hour, mobile rinsing screens, the Commander and Chieftain rinsers with capacities up to 300 tons per hour, power scrub log washer for scrubbing of lumps and aggregates with capacities up to 120 tons per hour, Trident Dewaterer classification system for processing of fines and sand with capacities up to 120 tons per hour, Fines Master range of combined hydrocyclones and dewatering unit with capacities up to 200 tons per hour, and various stockpiling conveyors. An integrated washing plant of around 200 tons per hour for I&O application shall consist of hopper and feeder unit, T6532 feed conveyor, static rinser screen of 16 feet by 5 feet, Power Scrub SW120 log washer, Fines Master 200 hydrocyclones and dewatering unit, T4026 stockpiling conveyors, and water management system or silting ponds. Run-of-mines ore of 200 tons per hour capacity is fed onto the hopper. The T6532 feed conveyor feeds this ore to the double-deck rinser screen. The oversized material from the top deck is stockpiled through T4026 stockpiling conveyor. The lumpy ores from the bottom deck is fed to the Power Scrub SW120 log washer for scrubbing. Scrubbing works on the principle of working material against material to remove clay, soot and other such materials. Here, two shafts, each consisting of 144 blades, rotate in the opposite direction, constituting the scrubbing action. The first 8 blades on each shaft are made of high manganese steel to reduce wear. Water is also sprayed here to facilitate the scrubbing process and to get a clean product, which is then stockpiled through T4026 conveyor. The fines ore from the underflow of the rinser screen in the form of slurry is fed to the Fines Master 200 hydrocyclones and dewatering unit. The Fines Master consists of 2 variable speed bucket wheels, each having 14 buckets, which perform 80 to 90% of the work, recovering the coarse fines from the slurry. And discharging to the dewatering screen. Overflow from the bucket tank consisting of fines flows through pipes onto the Cyclone tank. It is then pumped to the hydrocyclones through a centrifugal slurry pump. Fines above 75 microns are recovered in the cyclones and discharged from the bottom of the cyclones onto the dewatering screen. The 16 feet by 5 feet dewatering screen, having a 500 microns aperture, ensures a major reduction in moisture content of fines, typically 12 to 15%. After moving along the dewatering screen, the recovered fines are discharged onto outlet chutes and stockpiled through separate T4026 conveyors. And the overflow from the Cyclone tank then flows to the water management system or silting ponds for recovery of clean water, thereby ensuring recirculation back to the wash plant. In India, Voltas, thanks to the association with Power Screen, have introduced the concept of mobile and modular washing systems for washing of iron ore. The team of dedicated engineers of Voltas studies the specific washing requirements of various customers to enable the offering of a cost-effective solution. Thanks to such engineering backup, today Power Screen has been able to set up over 30 washing units in India over a span of 3 years. Power Screen and Voltas, a successful combination for washing solutions for mine owners, has been the first choice for highly reliable, productive and economic machines, and is geared up to face the stiff challenges of the future.